In this video, I am going to show you how to add downloadable PDF to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. To add a downloadable PDF to your Wix website, open your Wix website editor and then from the left menu click on Add Elements. Now select button from here, drag any button to your page. So we will change its text to download. So click on change text and icon. So we will change its text to download CV. After that close it and then from the top click on link. Select document from here, click on choose file. If you want to upload file from computer, click on upload media, upload from computer, select your file and then click on open. If you have your file on website, then select the file and then click on add to page. Click on done and that's it. Now users can click on this button to download our PDF. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.